I'm sorry if you guys heard that. Me sipping on tea. Really sorry about that. Did not realize we were on because I didn't have my microphone plugged in. Then I just plugged it in. Apologies. There's a lot to remember here. Nice long day at the beach in Costa Rica. Kind of wanted to wait till we get a few more people in. I know CryptoFace always puts on the trades. But yeah. What's up, Tavis White? Give me 1 second here, guys. Let me post on Twitter that I'm live. All right. Alrighty. What is up, guys? Evanaldo here. Nice long day at the beach today in Costa Rica. Oh man, they gotta fix some of those potholes on the roads here. If you've ever been to Santa Teresa, you would know the roads are just falling apart, man. They gotta do something about that. Good thing it's just a rental car I have. Good thing it's not my own car. But yeah, did a little bit of off-roading. A lot of fun. So let's look at the charts to see if we want to. This was a trade and put the call out for the short this morning, and the exclusive Discord went really well. Shorting over on Bybit. If you want to sign up for Bybit, really good promo I negotiated for you guys. Link in the description below. Also, my exclusive Discord, link in the description below, but wait till the 1st to sign up. You will get double charged if you sign up before the 1st of October. And without further ado, let's look at a little bit of technical analysis. So let's see, are we having any, the first thing we want to look at here is if we are having any red dots popping up. And we're getting close on the 10-day. Getting pretty close on the 10-day there. Let's see the 9-day. We're popping up on the 9-day. It's not showing up here yet on the, oh. 8 days to confirm, but yeah. There's still, the case to be made. I mean, I'm leaning more bearish. Some of you bulls aren't happy about that, but there's still a case to be made. Double yellow X's, and then you curve back up. I mean, in terms of money flow, we had already bottomed on the 9 days. So this is a time frame that would, give you the argument, support the argument that we have already bottomed out here. But also yellow X's. I mean, historically on very high time frames do tend to be very bearish. You could have another 2 yellow X's on the way down to 13K, 11K, 12K, those areas. So yeah. For long term, I mean, that's what probably one of the few questions I've been getting asked the most. Like, is this a good time to buy for long term? I would say, probably once the 3-week confirms, not the worst time to start DCing in. Give it 4 days. You could also wait, I feel like a lot of these, yellow X's, red dots that are pumping, these yellow X's, that are popping up right after you're confirming bullish divs, they kind of nullify the bullish divs. But if you have another bullish div that comes up, another green dot after this, then that would, kind of nullify the yellow X and would be, you bring back the argument for the bullish div, for the bottom. We have, it's kind of looking like one of my big fans of Cool, shout out to Cool, always talks about, he thinks that we're going to be more sideways, kind of like this. And if that is the case, then you have probably another 2 months the most in the sideways range, which would be kind of crazy, but it is possible. And that's where it would get weird with the red dots. I mean, if you look at right here, in terms of that, we would be right here probably. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just insane. Even on the 9, that's insane how sideways this was. That was a big bull and bear fight at 7K right there. It is possible to repeat that. I think we're gonna break out one way or the other before then. It could happen by the end of the month. September is always that bloodbath, so it could happen relatively soon. And if we look at our 6-day here, Ethereum probably has the red dot in the 16-day. But let's look at the 6-day, nothing too eventful. trying to curve up with the VWAP. So if you do get that bullish div, yeah, that's going to be something. If you stay sideways for next month or so, it's not going to mean much. We're just going to be sideways range bound like we have been essentially for 1, 2, 3 months now. So yeah, let's look at the chat, make sure everything's doing okay here. Like we're about to nuke, right? Ooh, 16-hour blood diamond, okay. Was that Michael Saylor buying last night? Maybe. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, just let this chill. So the account started with about, I don't know, 10 point something K, up to 12K now, not a bad month. Really good month for trading. This was a really good month in Discord. We've had definitely a lot worse months, but this month was a phenomenal month, probably one of my best. May was an amazing month. There are some really amazing months and some months that aren't as good, and now we are nuking some more here. This would be nice. So yeah, you do have, you know, your VWAPs curving up on some of these lower time frames. Apologies, the internet probably is not perfect here, and it's taking a little bit of time to load, but yeah, bullish div there. Looks like we're about to print a red dot right after that, and curved out the VWAP on the daily. It's like a 12-hour here, or actually a 16-hour. Somebody mentioned there's a blood diamond. Let me take a sip of tea here. So yeah, okay, yeah, blood diamond. Let's look at the last time we had a blood diamond in a 16-hour. Ooh, it lagged a bit, but it did play out. And then this one, yeah. So let's say, I mean, both of these would probably give you the, so let's say it's like this. That's a 38% dump. That's probably your case for 12K maybe. Where's 38% down from there? About 12K. Could get ugly here, guys. Could get ugly here. Come on. Lower time frames, 2 hour back in the red. Hourly, LOX, and we're not seeing too much evidence of a potential bottom here just yet. There may be, I mean, this is a strong area right here. This is going to be, any double spiral lines are usually a very strong area. And price kind of has respected them so far. Sometimes it's 3 strikes you're out. You had 1 strike there, 2 strikes there. This could be the 3rd strike where you're out. Next stop, 17K. If you lose that, 15K. After 15K, 13K. After 13K, you just, how it works is you just skip a number. You just skip 1,000 in between. That's 11K. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, those are basic areas. I mean, 17K, 300 weekly moving average, and 15K. Some people wouldn't even count 15K to mean much. I think it means a little bit because their price did play around at that point, per respect at that point some years ago. And then 12K, 13K, 400 weekly moving average. So yeah, why is this so laggy? Let's make sure stream is doing okay. I'm sure it's looking nice. Yes, they do. All time frames have yellow X's. Yeah, yellow X's means we could dump down quite a bit. Good point, Jonathan. And yeah, I mean, it's kind of, yeah, there really would be, you know, essentially a pretty good idea to, I'll probably towards the end of the stream take some more profits on this. I mean, it's kind of foolish not to take any profits on this. I got to set my stop loss to my entry point. That would be the first important thing to do. I was not looking at the market at all too much today, just at the beach. Have I been buying any gold or silver recently? I'm going to wait till I bought the position I want, and I'm going to wait till we nuke down a little bit further, hopefully like a typical recession, another Google user, and then probably buy some more. But if you don't have any at all, not financial advice, but I think it would not be a terrible idea. Let's see. I mean, my view is 14, 1500, nice bottom there, and then pretty much home free. It is 8:30 p.m. here. It feels a lot later because it gets dark so early. 10:30 on the Eastern time. One second here. Let me close out some stuff. Maybe that'll help us move a little bit quicker. Okay. Oh, we got to look at ETH. How can we forget ETH? Okay, so not yet on the 16-day. Interesting. Okay, so no red dot yet in the 16-day anywhere. But probably even worse than the 16-day. The reason I look at the 16-day is because that's what, for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, always show the bottom 16-day green dot. Also the 3-week, obviously, the 2. First time, if this confirms, it'll confirm rolling over. So that'd be a strong case to come down some more. Other thing, too, for your more bearish case, I mean, you didn't hit the bottom until these EMAs kind of split apart quite a bit more here. So we want to look at them splitting apart more, which would give you a bottom towards the end of the year, probably. That's one of the things, too, to look at. Let's look at our 2-week here. Red dot, this confirms in 11 days. When does the 3-week one confirm again? 4 days. That's not a long time. It probably will confirm. And that kind of nullifies a lot of the arguments at the bottom. We do have some bullish hope with, so, I mean, I guess 2-day green dot, not much there. Daily not looking good. Money flow coming out, view up, curving down. That looks awful, in my opinion. That could really bring you down back to 1,000, bring you down back to 500. That could be a start of a capitulation. S&P 500, it was down today too. 12-hour blood diamond. Is it like Bitcoin? What are the funding fees right now? That's a good question. So they're slightly positive for Bitcoin. What are they for ETH? Actually, I'm not gonna, because I do have an ETH position. I don't know if I should show you that. I believe I still have an ETH position in. Let's not look at that at the moment, because the exclusive members. And by the way, guys, if you're just tuning in, check out my link to Bybit down below. Really good promo I negotiated for you guys. If you already have an account, you create a new one to get it. Only a few slots left, if you're an experienced trader, that is. And it's taking its time to load. So red dots all around. I'm not seeing anything that looks convincingly bullish here at all. Hourly curvature downward. Everything looks generally bearish. Like it will continue bearish. It's kind of my 2 cents on this. Anything could happen, guys, obviously, but I don't see any compelling time frame that's really telling me. Maybe the 2-day green dot. I don't see anything else like compelling that's telling me we're going to continue forward. I think you're going to come deep into the red here. This could be the start of the capitulation to the bottom. And where could we end up with this? Let's look at your 3-week, just based on what red dots have given us on the 3-week. Let's see what this one. 51% downward. Let's see here. That'd be a kind of double bottom pattern if it does go down 51%. I feel like it's going to go down farther though. Yeah, 37. But this guy, ooh, that was a nice top call right there for January. Oh, the 93%. Imagine that. Where is 93% down from? From here, if I could just imagine some scenario like that, $100, that would be rough. That'd be really rough. Bitcoin would probably be at 3K if that happens. I don't think that's going to happen though, obviously. But yeah. I still keep going down on the stream. Could be one of those times where we just keep bleeding. I'm just not seeing anything too. I'm just looking at like, trying to get like some reasoning to possibly close out, the Bitcoin short. And I should probably close, I'd say, Yeah, I would say just, given the way I trade, there's always opportunities. I'll probably close a decent amount out of it towards the end of the stream. Or right here, yeah, 18,420. Yeah. Let's see the chat. What's up, Hyena? Okay, 16.9. Okay, on demand. Let's see what you guys think in terms of my Bitcoin short. I think most of you will probably say yes. Most of you are the more cautious type, I think. You guys smash the like button if you enjoyed the content, please. And guys, if I didn't mention already, we're going to be moving over. I did mention already, but if you don't know, we're going to be moving over to Twitch for the live streams starting October 1st. I'm really excited for that. Better interface, a lot of good things. They're really good people over there. So, please follow my Twitch. There's a link in the description below for that. I hope, I will add that in if there's not. It's Evanaldo Crypto on Twitch. So yeah, I think we're going to have a lot of fun there. You guys may be you could call in. So that's a good thing, more like radio. Dixie keeps pumping like crazy. I'm going to try and wait until it tops out before buying more crypto and gold. Yeah, another Google user. Let's look at the Dixie. Yeah, it's going hyperbolic. It's almost like the 80s. I think it's going to get more choppy. I don't see a top anytime soon, given the fact that it just went through 110 like it was nothing. It could get choppy over here. I mean, you are hitting some resistance. There as well. I mean, your money flow is only over here. So if it's like this, let's see where it would be if we get that high. You got about another 30%. And, let's see, 30% from there. I mean, it's pretty approximate, but yeah, I think crypto faced at 130 to 150, I believe. I don't want to put words in people's mouths, but I think he was looking at those areas. I think that's pretty likely. Where was it in the 80s though? It was probably the same thing. Yeah, 130. Yeah, this area. I feel like it'll be like the 80s, except we're going into a depression, not the most prosperous time. But yeah. Oh, this is split. Ooh, that is really split. I thought it would be way more for yes because it's so high in profit. What do we want to look at? Let's take a look at a couple of the altcoins I've been short on. Slow start with some of these, but I think it'll play out well. Come on, it's annoying. Come on, load. Yeah. Excuse me. The Solana. What else was there? Oh yeah, Adam. Adam didn't even pump much last night. Yeah, it's coming down. Yep. Look at all those blood diamonds. Yeah, it's coming down. Whatever time frame this is, don't look good. Yeah, this don't look good. This I got stopped out trying to short, but kind of just scam worked out because now it's all the way back down. So yeah, it's volatile. Trying to short a meme coin is always a little bit risky. Probably should have had a winner with this and then got stopped out in the next one. But yeah, now it's doing really well. It looks like we're headed there too. And the thing that we want to look at here, guys, is, come on, the weekly kind of red dot here. It's almost like the one over here in terms of money flow levels. Or if we go back, way back when, to 1987 here. Come on, what did I do? look at that area right there. See that red dot right down. We've already had more like dots here than 2015, end of 2014, so it's looking more like this right now, so we'll see what happens. Yeah. Let's look at the SPY. How much did that bleed today? I mean, I knew it was down, but it's looking, come on, load, but looking like we're just going to lose this level, making lower lows. Jim Cramer's prediction that we would hold the June lows is already completely wrong, like usual. And that's part of the game. Majority is usually wrong. Yeah, okay, well, no majority here, slight majority, but I mean, yeah. I feel like our connection is not the best here. A little fluctuation in people here. Just look at some of the high time frames here. Let me take a sip of tea real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, so money flow crossover right there. Go back to, come on, yeah, the connection's got to be bad. Is it lagging, guys? How's the connection? It's probably pretty bad, unfortunately. Yeah, that's what you get at random Airbnb in Costa Rica. But I mean, it's possible it could be like this. You come up a little bit. We kind of already had this though. I feel like it's more like here. You know what I mean? Yeah. You come down even lower, and then you come up a little bit, so you get choppy. Or what I like to compare it more to is, because history never repeats itself exactly, go back to 01. Right. See, like he came up. It's kind of like this is where you come up, and then ooh, just straight down. So it could be like that. That's what I'm kind of feeling like. And yeah. Because, I mean, what are we down from the all-time high right now? We are down 24%, which is a lot for the SPY. Meta. This just keeps dumping. Hitting a big point, though, but yeah. I don't even know why I looked at this. I mean, my main view is to stay away from it for now, but, yeah. If you're somebody who's die hard into this, though, I mean, not too bad, not too shabby with the green dot. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I feel like we're just not going to see these type of opportunities where it just keeps going up and up with the market, you know what I mean, where you could just get a 10x like that. We're not going to see that for a few, well, till we bottom out, which could be, seems like the way I've been mapping out, mid 2023. But our buddy over here, let me show you guys some of my friends. So, no, wrong one. This is one of my friends right here. I always talk about this guy. It's a leverage short fund for the NASDAQ. Confirms in 2 days, the monthly green dot. Just cured. That one did not do anything. That one didn't do much. This is the first trigger wave, though. First little trigger wave there. And the first time we've been in the green in the weekly. And the thing that intrigues me the most is I feel like if we come back to, say 2020 levels, pre-COVID level, or yeah, like pre-COVID levels over here, that's a 10x. That's a 10x from where we are right now. That could be like Bitcoin type money, buying Bitcoin at, 6K, 10 or 3K, 5K. It could be like Bitcoin type money. What's another one of our buddies? Let's see how this is doing. Still got a position open in this. It's still creeping, I feel like. Come on. Down a little bit, but it's just following that pattern upward. Wheat. Not as, I feel like the SQQQ is really the move. That and gold and silver. Not financial advice, though. I was telling two people I met today, that's really what I'm looking at. Is there 90-minute Bitcoin? Come up a little bit there. 15. Yeah, it makes sense to. This is this seems like 2-week bullish div on Bitcoin for a short squeeze. Yeah, it would be brutal for another Google user. I mean, I've talked about it before. Bitcoin acting kind of like gold here, staying on its own trajectory. And I do think it's possible. It almost seems too good to be true, but I do think Bitcoin could bottom out before this buy. So yeah. Oh man, there's some volatility here. Let's take out half of this. Let's do half of this, close this short. A little bit lower. Let's just limit out of this and then lock in the profits. Oh, that was quick. Oh, I didn't hit post only, so we might have did that as a kind of pay the fee, whatever. Right now, just let this ride. It could crash a lot more, obviously, but we could always add to it. When could we add to this? Well, this guy confirms in 13 hours. Wouldn't be a bad idea. It's going to be, 11 a.m. tomorrow. Eastern time. That would not be a bad idea at all. Let's see here. 15K, then 10K. We'll see. Definitely very highly possible. You guys smash the like button if you enjoyed the content. Also check out my wow 50/50 there. That is wild. Check out my link to Bybit down below for the promo. Really good promo I negotiated for you guys if you want to trade, if you're an experienced trader. Looked at Dogecoin briefly. Let's look at it again. I don't think it looks too good. Coin up for a while. Come on. Daily on a lot of these things does not look good. Just that main like bear market pattern. Like you come into a green a little bit and bam, right down. Daily. Oh, this might be a good daily blood diamond 2. That was 60% there. Wow. What's another 60%? 2-3 cents. Highly probable. I think so. Doge ain't looking too good. When does this confirm? 21 hours. Might give it a shot at some point here. Definitely not the worst time to go short in Doge, in my opinion. I do have a lot of shorts open right now, though. Let's see. Oh, yeah. This is probably going to be going up as well, finally. That's wild how it's going down almost. Yeah, it went down with the... That's interesting. Because you would think this should be going hyperbolic, but no. Yeah, shut up, stop barking. Do I use BitGet? Yeah, a little bit, yeah. The primary one right now with the partnership is Bybit. They're all really good. What I will say about using different exchanges is always spread. Never put all your eggs in one basket. You never know who's going to go bankrupt yet next. Yeah, Cole, it depends. Mondays through Thursdays, mornings, normal business hours in Eastern time are really good. When I was working a full-time job, yeah, feels like so long ago. It really wasn't, though. It was only a bit over about a year and a half ago. But yeah, I would say the charts while I was working a normal job in the office had two monitors, one with crypto face on all the time, the other with other stuff, with my real work. Oh yeah, Frankie Candles. 2 Day Blood Diamond. I gotta check that out. Shout out to Frankie Candles. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know who he is. Does a lot of good, really good TA. And I don't know why that happens. Sometimes the message got retracted. But shout out to Frankie Candles. I gotta have him on the channel. Been a little bit busy. Internet definitely is not the best in Costa Rica. But next I'm going to Mexico City beginning of October, and yeah. Kevin Campbell in Costa Rica says hi. Kevin Campbell. Oh, what's up, Kevin? Yeah, what's up, man? Thanks for checking out the stream. What's up? Yeah, but yeah, guys, shout out to Frankie Candles. Check out his channel. Definitely going to collab with him relatively soon. No storms tonight, guys. Yeah, it's not no storms tonight, guys. Shout out to Kevin Campbell. Oh yeah, yellow X on the 2 day regular candles. Yeah, thanks so much, Frankie. Let's see. Let's look at that. Let's look at the 2 day regular candles. Oh, and Hikins too, I believe. Yeah. So, come on, yeah, it's not the best right now, but yeah, if it's like this, I mean, let's look at history of yellow X's on the 2 day. There's probably more, obviously more so than like the 9 day and those type of ones, but yeah, that one didn't play out too well. But well, here it did, but kind of a black swan event there with COVID. Yeah, those were the bottom. Yeah, that's interesting because there are. That's kind of your bottom kind of argument if it's like that, kind of what we're seeing on the kind of 9 day, the 10 day, or, if it's more like, let's just see a comparative to this one right here, 22% downward, 22% is going to be 15. That's a pretty big area. A lot of people don't talk about it. 15, the high 14s, 15K, I feel like is going to give us at least a little something if we do come down that low. Because price does stop barking. Price does hit that point. Where is it? Is it here? No, it was. I'm trying to remember where it was. It was like in the last. Yeah, right there. See right here. This area right here. High 14s, low 15s. But yeah. Let's see. Candle Mafia, that is pretty cool. That is cool name. Yeah. Candle Mafia is cool. Yeah. Frankie, what are you thinking if you're still in true? Do you think we bottomed out or no? I haven't been busy on vacation. I haven't been watching your streams for the past few days or past few weeks for that matter. Gotta check out what you've been doing lately. Sure, yeah, we could look at ADA. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah. I mean, hidden major point. This is kind of make or break, but it's almost like, see, 1 strike right there, 2 strikes, 3 strikes, then you come down lower. I don't know. I feel like the 2 day rolled over back into the red. Yeah, sorry guys, the internet just isn't, it's just too laggy here. This is not loading the way it should be. Confirmed. Red dot there. 3-week is the main bullish case in pretty much everything right now because it's either confirming green dots or, well, except Ethereum, it's a red dot there, but yeah. And then your daily rolling over into the red, yeah, it don't look good, guys. It don't look good, unfortunately. Yeah, you guys hit the like button. What's up, Wendell, Michelle? This is a good place to long. Short answer, no. But you know, let's take a look. I mean, real low time frames. I mean, if you're a scalp trader, the thing too, I would say no because we're just so close to this point. These points are kind of like a magnet. Like I feel like you're gonna, once you get this close, you're gonna have to test it usually. So probably not. But that 15-minute, if we do get that bullish div confirmed, does look a little enticing. But I'd be careful. Based on the 2-day, yellow X is all this crap popping up. Nah. I wouldn't be going long. I wouldn't be going long. Not right now. But yeah. Let's see. Did we look at the... How low did the... Just quickly, I just want to see how low the NASDAQ did go down today. Yeah, so we've officially... No, it didn't go as low as June just yet, at least not in this chart, so... Didn't lose those lows just yet. Jim Cramer is still accurate to say that. Kevin coming awfully close, though. I feel like you could just push right through and just fall. Main thing with this, I mean, look, just like the last time money flow was this high and you came down right like there. But then again, that's not that, it still is 40%. Yeah, that's quite a bit, 44% down. I mean, let's not kid ourselves, it's still quite a bit. Right there, yeah, 6K. You came back 4 years, yeah. Let me, guys, on the SQQQ, does anyone know? Like, will you 10x your money if price comes down to this point? Will you 10x your money with the SQQQ? That's what I want to know. Because that could be, you know, if the only thing you find, some things in a bull market, and sometimes it could only be short funds. But yeah. Okay, your spiral line's a little bit higher, Wendell. Okay. Dixie is still pumping. Yeah, it seems like it always is. But yeah. Let's see here. There is a case to be made. I mean, there's a case to be made for that double bottom around here. Then jump up. But what were we looking at with the SPY? We were looking at it just curves right through. Comes right through. Yeah. Ooh. I like that monthly. I like that monthly red dot. I really like that. Dump. Oh, this better come down. There's even a short fund for this now, which is nice. Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Frankie. I mean, I don't like the ETH 3-week red dot is really the main argument that we are have now bottomed out, and it could go quite a bit lower. You know, I think 500 for ETH around that area. You know, really 300 to 600 ETH is a very volatile puppy, and you know the obvious thing of 10 to 14K. Really, I think it's more like 11 to 13K to be more specific, but 9 to 14K to be more broad for Bitcoin. But yeah. Bear div on the bearish div? Are you sure it's not? I thought it was a bullish div on the 12-minute. it's just not. I don't even know if it's I don't know what it is. That's a bullish div on this one. Yeah, I mean, Wendell, you said like the opposite of what's actually happening. I feel like. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, yeah, you could get a little something here, with the long, but 11 p.m. Eastern time on what day is it? Tuesday. Blood Diamond in a 16 hour. X on the 2-day. Yeah, I wouldn't be going long at the moment. Just looking at it to the short. But yeah. I looked at Doge, Joe. I was looking at possibly a target around 2.5 cents. It don't look good. It don't look good. That's one of the ones I'm looking to short right now. The daily looks awful for that Blood Diamond in the daily. So yeah. And yeah, we've been on about 45 minutes, guys. I think I'm going to get off for the night. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you want to trade on Bybit, link in the description below. Negotiated a really good promo for you guys. If you already have an account, you can sign up with create a new account and sign up as well. If you're in the US, you need a VPN to do that. But yeah, you do not have to deposit very much money to get the bonus. So check that out. Link in the description below. And let's see, exclusive Discord. Wait till the 1st though to join that. You will be double charged if you join right now. Link in the description below for that as well. Trading course. If you're new to TA, want to learn TA, how I do my trades, some strategies. A lot of people have really liked it. Trading psychology, all that good stuff. Link in the description below. There's a promo code coupon code I'm doing down below as well for the course. And yeah, that should be about it. We are going to be moving over to Twitch for the live stream starting October 1st. So please follow my Twitch, Evan Aldo Crypto, on Twitch. So I'm really excited for that. Please check out the streams on Twitch. Follow me there as well. Begging you guys. No, I'm just kidding. But please check it out. I think it's going to be a much better platform than YouTube. Still going to do the regular videos. Try to do recaps on YouTube, but we move over to Twitch right now. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day. Shout out to Frankie Candles again. Check out his channel. We'll be doing a collab with him as soon as I get some better internet. So yeah, guys. All right, guys. Have a good one. Goodbye.